In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. This process is essential for keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. Let's walk through this step by step to make sure you grasp each part of the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Manual Journals section. To do this, head to the left-hand menu and locate Accountant. Once you click on that, you'll see Manual Journals as an option. This is your starting point for creating a new entry. Now that you've reached the Manual Journals page, the next task is to create a new journal. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you should see a button labeled Plus New Journal. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new window where you'll begin entering the details of your journal entry. Once the new journal page is open, you'll need to enter the essential details. Start by setting the date for when this journal entry should be reflected in your records. It's important to enter an accurate date, as this will affect your financial statements for that period. Next, add a reference number. This is a crucial element for tracing this entry back in your books or during audits. Then you must include notes. These notes are mandatory and should describe the entry with enough detail for future reference. If your journal is cash-based, you'll also need to check the box labeled Cash-based. This step is vital for the accurate classification of your journal entries. If you're dealing with transactions in a different currency, don't forget to adjust the currency setting accordingly. After you've filled in these details, it's time to add account entries for each item you're recording. Start by selecting the appropriate account from the drop-down menu provided. This ensures each line item is categorized under the correct account in your financial records. You might need to add a description or choose a contact if necessary. Following that, you'll enter the corresponding amount in either the debit or credit column. Always remember to distribute amounts correctly to reflect the financial transaction accurately. Balancing your journal is a crucial step. Ensure the total debits equal the total credits. Zoho Books should indicate if there's any imbalance, so keep an eye out for any alerts or errors. Finally, once everything is balanced, decide on how you'd like to save your progress. You can click Save and Publish to finalize everything immediately, updating your financial records. Alternatively, you can choose to save it as a draft if you need to review the details further before making it official. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to post manual journals in Zoho Books effortlessly, ensuring your financial records are both precise and comprehensive. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.